In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure signing settings in DocuSign eSignature, giving you a comprehensive guide to seamlessly navigating these settings. First, log into your DocuSign account. For those unfamiliar, DocuSign is an electronic signature service that enables you to sign documents online with ease and security. Once you've accessed your account, you'll land on the home page, which serves as your primary dashboard. Next, look towards the main navigation bar and click on the Admin tab. This step is crucial because all the configuration options for your account are housed under the Admin panel. This area is like the control center for all things DocuSign, giving you the power to manage user access, notifications, and of course, signing settings. Once inside the admin panel, locate the signing settings option. Clicking here takes you to the page where you can adjust various settings related to how documents are signed. This is a particularly powerful feature, allowing you to customize the signing experience according to your organizational needs or personal preferences. It includes multiple options that you can toggle and adjust. Scrolling down through the signing settings, you'll come across the in-session landing pages. These are the pages that signers will see when they finish signing a document. Ensure this meets your requirements. You might choose a default DocuSign landing page or a custom URL. Customizing these pages can be beneficial in aligning the signing process with your branding strategy. Further on, you'll see the watermark configuration. This feature allows you to determine if a watermark should appear on documents during certain processes, which can add an extra layer of document integrity and professionalism. Think carefully about your needs here, whether you're concerned with security or simply aesthetics. Next up is the signature section. Here you'll decide on various signature preferences, including style and appearance. This might sound trivial, but it's a great way to maintain a consistent professional image across all documents. You might want a specific font or size to reflect your company's branding. It's essential to explore other settings available here, ensuring each one aligns with your intended signatory process. These additional settings can often provide valuable options for streamlining operations and improving efficiency in document handling. Once you're satisfied with all your configuration settings, the final step is to click on the Save Changes button. By saving your changes, you ensure they are applied, allowing for immediate implementation of your new configurations. This is a vital step. Without saving, any adjustments you've made can be lost, which would mean having to repeat the process. And there you have it. Your signing settings in DocuSign eSignature are fully configured, allowing you to facilitate a seamless and professional